I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Roadside Rider. And what I got here are these two tires that I'm about to put on. These are used tires, but you see how good this look? Oh my God. I'm finna put two tires on the driver's side of this Toyota Corolla. Young lady said she hit a meeting the other day, put the spare tire on because she thought it was just the front tire, but also the back tire was flat, so she got it home. And now we sitting with a flat spare tire, a flat back tire, a flat front tire, and I'm finna replace those two. So let me go ahead and skip all this talking. Let's get to it, man. We're finna crank this up. This is my first job of the morning, but let's get it. When I tell you this gonna be real easy, I'm finna knock both of these out at the same time. Let's get it. Oh, we coming up in the back? What we got in the front? We're probably gonna have to reposition it. Yeah, cause it's really, I'm gonna just come over some. That should be good right there for the whole car. Let's get it. I think this should be it. My compressor just shut off on me. I think I'm out of gas. I forgot to get gas yesterday. And this is my first job, but good thing I got gas cans in the back. Let's see what's going on. Oh, we still got gas. What's up with that? What you shut off for? That made no sense to me, but it is what it is. Wow. If you hear me randomly just say some words or whatever, I'm finna be rapping, man. We're finna do this the old school way. Little music with it. I got a 13, 16 on now? It's either gonna be that or that 7/8. Matter of fact, that's a Corolla, so it might be a 3/4 within a Cedo. 13, 16, let go. I'm ready for whatever. Somebody better tell them, say hey. Let's go. I got everybody sweating me. Who won't rest unless I rest in peace? She did get a little bend in her wheel. That ain't gonna hurt nothing though. But what happened was she got that big chunk taken out of there. That's a chunk. Joker took a bite out of that for real. Trying to let my compressor build up. That way I can go in and cut it off. There we go. Right on time. It's hammer time, baby. Oh, come on. I don't know if I just done got horrible in my old age. They've been killing me this week trying to break the tire down. Forget that hammer. I'm going to slide, boy. Let's get it. There we go. One more. Y'all see these flying around me? No, wind done started blowing. I could be wrong, but them little pieces y'all see flying come from the cherry blossoms. It is that time of year here. We did just have a storm last night, so they just blowing out the trees. I'm gonna hit that one. Somebody better tell them. Come on, baby. Okay, I got something for that. I'm gonna use my border called separation and get my hammer off in there. As always, another way to get it done. That joker don't want to break it down. Old Douglas. Come on, baby. Okay. Let's do it again. There we go. Oh, shoot. That's where that band at. It's a little band. That ain't gonna hurt nothing. I'm gonna just bend it back when I put that tire on there though. One second, y'all. I think I got a call coming in. My music just shut off. Come on up out of there. Most of the people made now dimes. But we serve this small town. Who'd have thought we'd be arguably the greatest of all time around here? One more. When I tell you these tires don't want to come off for nothing. Let me lure these tires up, man. Go on with it and take my fat self on. My lube done thickened up. I need to add some water to the top, loosen it up a little bit. I mean, that ain't bad for a used tire, is it? Let's see. See if they directional. I don't think so. Put my red dot right up by the valve stem. One more stroke gonna get her. At least I thought it would, but get what? I don't see no red dot on this one, so I'm gonna put that yellow dot. Last one. It's too easy. I'm gonna go back on with this back one first. Matter of fact, before I do that, let me beat that wheel in. That little curve spot. I'm gonna leave it right now. It ain't 100% perfect, but my OCD ain't worried about it. By the way, I'm listening to that T.I. Paper Trail. That's a classic album. That's the one with Swagger Like Us on there. Live Your Life with Rihanna. And that's actually what's playing in my ear right now. It wasn't the best albums, man. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. One of his best albums. Alright, NASCAR, you ready? Take this one off. I'm gonna put some air in her spare too before I leave, cause that joker was flat. And it probably ain't nothing wrong with her spare, it probably just was low on air. It feel like I ain't recorded my work in a minute, boy. NASCAR. You ready? Crazy thing is, I asked them are they ready, and I'm the one never ready. Either way, this is my favorite part right here, airing up the tire. Oh, we finna get out of here. It's gonna pop one more time. I dropped that cap, that's what I'm looking for. If I can't find it, I'll just get one out my truck. Let's do this back turn, we finna get on. Just gonna do one more pop. When that pop, I'm gonna let my jack down on this front side right here. When I tell you easy work, this is easy. I see that cat right there too. I put too much iron now, we just gonna let that out. 35 on the head, let go. Ladies, gentlemen, this has been a major success. I'm finna start this video right now. I'm out of here.